Did you know that 40% of children worldwide are exposed to secondhand smoke? What if I told you that this exposure could actually change their DNA and affect their health for years to come? Stick around, because we're about to dive into a mind-blowing study that shows just how dangerous secondhand smoke really is and why it's something we all need to care about. So, secondhand smoke, or SHS, is everywhere. It's in our homes, in cars, and even in public spaces. And guess what? Even if you're not the one smoking, just breathing it in is still messing with your body. Most of the research has focused on how smoking during pregnancy harms children. But what about after they're born? Well, that's exactly what this study explores. Researchers from the Pregnancy and Childhood Epigenetics Consortium took a deep look at how SHS exposure during childhood is changing our kids' DNA. Now, before you tune out because it sounds all technical, let me break it down for you. The study focuses on something called DNA methylation. Basically, imagine your genes are like light switches. DNA methylation is what turns those switches on or off, affecting everything from lung health to how well your immune system works. And here's the crazy part. The study found that kids exposed to SHS had changes in 11 specific gene switches. These switches are linked to serious problems like asthma, lung disease, and even cancer. And get this, those gene switches control how the body responds to things like smoke. Now note, this isn't just about smoking during pregnancy. Even if a child wasn't exposed to smoke before birth, being exposed to it after birth at home can still mess with their DNA. And these effects? They could last a lifetime. So why does this matter? Well, SHS exposure doesn't just cause short-term problems. It's literally changing your kid's DNA in ways that could make them more prone to chronic diseases like heart disease or asthma later in life. Think about it. Today they're breathing in smoke, and years down the line they could develop these diseases because of it. Here's another kicker. The study didn't just look at moms who smoked during pregnancy. It also looked at kids whose moms didn't smoke at all. Guess what? The results were still clear. Postnatal SHS exposure, even after birth, still had a huge impact on the kid's genes. So the damage isn't just about what happens in the womb, it happens even after they're born. Secondhand smoke spreads everywhere. Smoke travels through doors, windows, and cracks. No amount is safe for children. Note that opening windows, using fans, or air purifiers won't remove harmful toxins. So what do we do with all this info? We need to create smoke-free environments in every home, especially for children. Do not allow smoking in your car, even with windows down. Teach children to avoid secondhand smoke. The next time you think about secondhand smoke, remember, it's not just an inconvenience. It's something that could seriously affect your child's health and their future in ways we didn't know until now. Remember that your choices protect your child's health. Thanks for watching today's video. Subscribe for more eye-opening info like this.